here. That's pretty neat. It is pretty low. So just sit down here, huh? Yeah. What's the best seat? Oh, so we do some walking. How does that go on?
Get some photos in. Okay, so where we are currently exiting the cave, everybody. So currently where we're exiting the cave, everyone, this is the original entrance way just ahead of us here. So back in 1887 is when this cave was first discovered. It was discovered by two main men. One of them was a local Māori chief. The other one was an English surveyor. One of them, the Māori chief, Tāne Tinoro. The other one's name was Frederick Mace. Okay. Just keeping the flash off, guys, thank you. Now they first entered the cave from just over here in 1887. They made themselves a boat that was made up of flax and forestry found around in the area at the time. They entered the cave with only two items, that being a candle and some rope. Fortunately enough for them, they managed to explore the cave in only 2 years and managed to open the cave 2 years later in 1889. Unfortunately, folks, this is where we do part ways today. This path ahead of us here will lead you conveniently back to the gift shop. Thank you. There you go, you got it.
Wow.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah. Picture here. Oh, oh, oh. That'll work. Good. Good.